DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
My people, now well done now. Good morning, and good evening, and good afternoon, and good night, depending on where they listen to us from. Today, the information we say the reach us, we get a lot of to read, but we'll just give now some hints today, and we'll show now video of some of the things we say about like don't do. So when somebody they do well, we will announce to now say they do well, and when somebody be say he do bad, we will also announce to now say he do bad. So today, Obaseki don't go inaugurate the independent power plant today. Not say in the fit start issue since he enter power. Say the rate when be say people not to get light for that city for Edo State. Say the thing not dey good at all. When it be say some areas there, when it be say for whole 1 year, 2 years, they never even on light for their house. And this issue of light, they make companies they move further, they move front because the amount of diesel and petrol won't be said that they use for to the power their electricity they too much. So basically today you don't inaugurate that the independent power plant. Say this thing when it be say inaugurate today when the commission say you will boost the economy. Say now the goodness and the forwardness of Edo people they in mind. Say this light, most companies will be say without they frustrated because light no dey the state. Say they all of them will call get up now. They function very well. Second say this light will power a lot of areas when it be say they will feel they do their business well and they'll feel employ people and feel they pay them. Say the time when be say there is pay money for diesel, it don't pass. As be say the NEPA them, when the former NEPA them, be say they know they give people light because they already complain say transformer bad, transformer no good. And we also know say most of the residents of Edo State or Benin City, now then they buy transformer for them. When they say they did give the light, and at the end of the month, they'll cost collect money. So as basically this light matter, Obaseki don't try to the solve at, and this one now they come from federal government and the state, just to make sure say Edo State they can pay and they get light. As in, he can also talk say he will expand the thing to other small village them. Maybe say they will get light 247. He say when light come, darkness will vanish. So as light don't they enter Edo State now, small, as basically they work on now, the the state will they move forward. And small business, they will be say when be say they will get small money, when be say they want to start small thing, they'll feel they don't need to buy too much or buy for again. And the money will be they'll they buy for they'll feel say use and employ one person when be say they will see the pay. And I will show that video. And most also some information called the issue say say APC they talk say basically they put down their or PDP rather they put down the billboard, their advert for their campaign down. And basically from what we see today issue, they cause they put down Obaseki billboard. They call it use paint. They cover Philip Shaibu face and also they cover Obaseki face because the acceleration never starts. So many begin to the shell, that they come up small. As we they encourage politician, we don't want quarrel, we don't want fight. As it be say election matter, do they reach not election are just to vote for the right candidate. And also people can also they make comment for Facebook say Obaseki name dey their heart whether they cancel or they remove the billboard, say they already know who they will vote for. So make we watch this video wey we wan show now regarding the inauguration of the independent power plant when e be say Obaseki inaugurate today. And as we dey go, they give now many story when they happen. Make we watch the video.
You know that power is key to other things. So for us, we need to extend the benefits of this investment. Now that we have power, what are we going to do with it? So our next set of projects have to be those that rely on this key infrastructure which we have just created. And so we'll be looking at the industrial park, building infrastructure to encourage and support manufacturers to come in. We're looking at innovation hubs because we want to use the factor and advantage of 24/7 electricity to encourage technology groups, technology companies to locate in those states. We're looking at our educational system, seeing how we can get power to a lot of our schools so that we can improve the standard and quality of our education. So this is just the beginning. We, as you'll hear this afternoon, have finished the design of a couple of other projects, which we hope will get partners like the partners who've developed this project to work with. Because our role as government is to enable things happen. Edo State government will not use taxpayers' money and put taxpayers' money in investments that the private sector can handle. But we, like the Executive Director of the World Bank said, as a government will create the enabling and supportive environment to make doing business easier in a place like Edo and thus attract more private sector investors who will bring their money and in that process create jobs and help us improve our economic well-being.
I'm not sure about next stops. I'm just happy that we got to this stop. So I was just explaining to one of the World Bank executive directors that typically in the evening, during peak demand, our 3 turbines are called up to base load. So they're doing typically 450, 460 megawatts during the peak periods, which means that we're producing 10, 11, sometimes 12% of all the power that goes across the national grid. That gives me, it gives all of my executive management team, all the shareholders, including the Edo State government, a tremendous amount of pride and of satisfaction. So when you ask about next stops, let us just have 1 or 2 days just to regroup, consolidate, make sure the plant is running and that we continue to produce that power. In another week or 2, we'll start planning for phase 2.
Well, first of all, the approvals, they happen at government level, whether it's starting with land and making sure that the area is zoned properly, making sure that the environmental impact assessments have been done and they are up to world standard, because something like this is not financed by one entity and not by one country. It's financed by multilaterals, but also international investment banks. So the government's role really is to make sure that all the standards are up to world class and they are met on time.
The fact that, we are sitting right in the belly of 2 power plants. I mean, at full capacity, we'll have 900 megawatts here. And that is, because of our closeness to these plants, we should have an advantage in terms of dropping required power here. There's still some rigidities, there's still some challenges in the distribution system with the distribution companies, as you know. Many of them are not able to take as much power as is required because they've not made investments they should. So we will continue to work with the distribution companies, particularly Benin distribution companies, to put it in a state and form where it can take more power that's available for the benefit of our people and our states. People have tried, and we'll build another one for you.
The much-awaited CCETC Oshomo 55 megawatts independent power plant will commence test transmission and certification by the Nigeria Electricity Management Services Agency, NEMSA. The historic and epoch-making exercise is built for Monday, July 20, 2020, between the hours of 10 a.m. and 12 noon. The CCETC Oshomo Independent Power 33 kVA line is expected to supply electricity to areas along Sapele Road in Benin and government facilities, as well as streetlights and businesses. This is yet another milestone in finding lasting solution to incessant power outages in Benin and a roadmap towards industrialization. 3 Boza to our Wake and See Governor Godwin Obaseki for this outstanding achievement. Boza! 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 Edo people, the CCETC Oshomo Independent Power Plant is one of the MOUs signed between Edo State Government and the private sector. We are moving forward ever, backward never. Signed, Edo State Government.
DJ LTV.